Hey guys, Kirk Kreiser here. I just wanted to give you a quick walkthrough of a new product that just came out that I'm really excited about called arbiMate. Now what this product does is that it lets you profit from e-com by using arbitrage. Now what arbitrage is simply you find a product at a low price and you sell it at a higher price. So basically you're looking for pricing differences between two sites. And in this case, it's between Walmart and Amazon. Now, Amazon is obviously the biggest e-com site out there, but what people don't realize is a lot of cases Amazon does not have the lowest price. People just buy on Amazon because they think they're getting the lowest price or they like the ease of buying off Amazon. But in a lot of cases, those products can actually be bought at a cheaper price at a site like Walmart. So how do you profit from this whole arbitrage business? Well, you find products that are lower on Walmart, you buy them, and then you resell them on Amazon for a higher price, and you keep the difference. It's a great business model because there's no inventory, there's no upfront investment. So you would find a pricing gap, list that product on Amazon, and once you get a sale on Amazon, then you just go back over to Walmart, buy it, and ship it to the customer, and you profit the difference. It's a very, very cool business model. Now, you might be thinking, well, why isn't everyone doing this? Well, the real issue here is finding those products with a pricing difference. I mean, it's basically like finding a needle in a haystack. How are you going to sort through hundreds of thousands of products on Amazon and Walmart and find those differences? Well, that is where the arbiMate software comes into play. It actually lets you automate this entire process, and it'll basically spit back a list of products that have a pricing gap large enough to make you a profit. And that is the beauty of the software, as it takes this very, very easy business model that really requires a ton of manual work, and it automates the whole thing for you. So let me give you an example or kind of a demo of the software. So I have the software set up on one of my sites, and I went and ran a search. I used the category search. So I simply grabbed the Walmart category for no contract phones, because that's a big item that's kind of bought on sites like Amazon and Walmart. So I simply popped in the URL of that category on Walmart. I ran the software. I let it run for a little bit, and if you see down here, here are the products it brought back. So it's only going to bring back products that are sold on Walmart and Amazon, because of course if they're not sold on both, it doesn't help us. But you can see here, and this is a problem you would have if you're doing it manually, most of these products aren't profitable. You can't buy them at a low enough price. But with the software, you can see we can go through here and just cherry pick the winners. So here's an example of a track phone. You can make a $34 product profit for each one. Here's one for $48.77. If I go to the next page, here is some more. So here's one, $64 of profit. So every time I sell one of these on Amazon, I go to Walmart, buy it, ship it to the customer, and I make $64. And we can see right now on Amazon, or right now on Walmart, it's selling for $139. If I look at it on Amazon here, it's selling for $240. So obviously there is a big gap there. And if I kind of take a look at the detail of the product here, you can see my margin is $64. So that's not the pricing gap, that's how much money I would actually profit. So if we scroll down here, it'll break it down to you. So I can buy it at Walmart for $139. Taxes would be $13.90 where I live. Personally, I don't pay 10% tax, so that'd be lower for me. But you do have an Amazon fee, so when the product sells on Amazon, Amazon will charge you a fee, so they also factored that in. So your final cost with all fees is $175.84, and of course the Amazon price is $240. So I have a potential profit of $64.16 if I sell it at that $240 price. So that is a win-win for me. I could go ahead and take this product, list it on Amazon. I don't have to buy anything. Once I get a sale on Amazon, I then simply go to Walmart, make a purchase, and have it sent to this customer. I pocket $64. I didn't have to stock any inventory. It's a really, really cool process. And again, it's just an endless process. There's so many products out there. You could continually do this over and over again. And after I ran that search, I did find another one. So I'm going to pop that in here. And again, I can search. I can bring up that product. And you can see for this example, this was the best one I found through that list. It has a margin of $114. So the Walmart price is $3.99. The Amazon price is $6.19. Take out all the fees, and that's a profit of $114. So it's really, really cool. And I'll show you the process here. It's very simple. If I go ahead and look at this product here, on almost every product on Amazon, if I scroll down here, right here it says have one to sell. I simply click sell on Amazon, and then I can list my product, which basically all it requires me to do is enter in a couple fields, enter my price. So I would probably go a little lower than $6.19 because obviously I want to be the one that buys. So I could do this $5.99, and I'm still going to profit close to $100 for each one that sells. And again, the beauty of this is I didn't have to stock inventory. There's no risk on my part because I didn't have to buy this ahead of time. I just list mine on Amazon, and if I get a sale, I'll get an email from Amazon that, hey, you sold a product, time to fulfill it. I go back over to Walmart, I purchase that product and have it shipped to that customer. The process is done for me, and I clear a profit of $100. So it's an incredible software. Again, you can search multiple categories. There's hundreds of thousands of products available. So competition-wise, there's just so many products. It's a great business model to be in because you're not fighting over 100 different products with a bunch of people. There's hundreds of thousands of products out there to search through. So there's plenty to go around. Again, I can monitor products, I can shortlist products, search different categories to find even more profitable arbitrage items. But it's really a great model to get started with e-com without having to buy inventory, run any ads. You don't even need a website. You really don't need anything at all to get started. So if you want to check out this software, I did pop in a link below this video. And again, it's a great way to use the arbitrage method and automate it, so it's not a tedious process of you manually going through each and every product. So go ahead, grab your copy today, and get started with this business model. Start getting some products listed and start making some profit.